am Professor Rashid, working as Professor in Genetics and Plant Breeding, Bangladesh Agriculture University. We are working on melon. Melon is known as rockmelon in most European countries. Shammam is a popular term used in Middle Eastern countries and also now becoming popular in our Bangladesh. That melon is very sweet. It has got 6 times more vitamin A, 4 times more vitamin C than watermelon. It is also rich in potassium as well. So it has got several health benefits: anti-aging, anti-cancer, anti-inflammation properties, good for blood pressure, specifically good for our pregnant women. It is a very short duration crop. You can harvest melon between 65 to 75 days. As you know, we have rainfall and sudden flash flooding is a problem in our country that can be addressed by the short duration crop. Secondly, it is economically very beneficial. For example, one of our farmers have grown 1 bigha of land. His expense was around 1.5 to 2 lakh taka, but he sold 3.5 to 4 lakhs taka from one season only. Secondly, in our country, we have seasonal gap in fruits availability in our market. For example, at the end of the winter, most of our winter fruits, the supply is declined. Secondly, our summer fruits start to appear especially at the end of mid-May. So March, April, beginning of May, there is a big gap in our fruit market. So melon particularly appears on that season. As you know, the watermelon is most prevalent fruit in that time, including our local boroi. And also futi and bangi is available in that period, which is also our Ramadan month. You definitely know that futi and bangi is not that liked by our consumers. So farmers suffers to get their economic return from the cultivation. So if we can introduce melon either by replacing or by extending current melon cultivation, that melon you will address two things. First of all, it gives farmer good economic return, and secondly, you can address nutritional and fruit less availability period in that less fruit season during March, April and early May. Since most of the commercial melon varieties are introduced from abroad, several challenges in cultivating them in your country. For example, number one is when do you grow them, the growth period. They require some special nutrient regime and also agronomic practices. Besides, since those are introduced variety, these are heavily infected by several diseases and insects. We need to safeguard our crop from the disease and insect as well. So these are the challenges of introducing melon from abroad at the moment. So what we are doing, we have collecting germplasm from national and international sources. We are evaluating their performance in our conditions. We have just finished one growth season. So our target is to see how adaptable they are. We are doing some pre-breeding at this moment to develop populations which we will be later using for developing suitable varieties. Our next plan is we will try to find better combiner parents that can give us superior performance in hybrid population, and also by evaluating the segregating population we will try to find suitable inbreeds that will give us desirable performance, basically both developing hybrid varieties and also inbreed varieties. So I can show you some of our genotypes. As you can see, we have fruits. Our results are quite promising. In terms of their size, we have achieved enough size. You can see honeydew type melon here, a netted melon type here. We have some whitish creamy fruits. And in terms of sweetness, we have observed several germplasm performing very good. Their sweetness in terms of bricks, we got more than 14 to 15 bricks percentage. So these are quite sweet. You can see sweeter than watermelon. We don't have a lot of collaborator now, but still we are trying to develop some collaboration with several seed companies and also researchers from different universities and research institute. I can name Dr. Rafiq from Sher-e-Bangla Agriculture University, Dr. Rubel from Noakhali Science and Technology University, and Dr. Jahid from Portugal Science and Technology University. Besides, we have collaboration with one scientist from Bari and at least 3 seed companies who are helping us with their technical assistance and materials. We will expand this collaboration. As for funding, we have started with a funding from our Bangladesh Agriculture University research system. I am very thankful to our authority. But as you can understand, the breeding work volume in the next few years, we will definitely need better funding, so that in terms of land resources, work volumes, manpower resources, and cultivation related expenses, we can cover them all up. Okay, we have quite a small but efficient team. We have 5 new MS research fellow who is working with us on this melon project. I can introduce Mr. Jahid, Mr. Rafi, and Keka. Jahid and Rafi is from Bangladesh Agriculture University. Keka, Pooja, and Mushfiq, they are from Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University. So this is our young team, and behind camera is our Tipu. He helps us a lot. So that's our team now. We are planning to expand this research team, especially in the later stages when we will be evaluating our pre-breeding materials. I can show you one of our fruits. This we have got from a crossing population. This is female parent is muskmelon type variety. Another one is probably one advanced breeding line. In the next population, we'll certainly be able to find better combiner and better performances in subsequent generations. So this is our research team. You can say hi.
Hi.
Hello. So wish us good luck. Thank you.